Hello guys. So before going into insertion, first of all, we have to know there are in two ways we can do insertion in linked list. So there are two ways we can do in linked list. So first way is insertion in tail. What is insertion in tail? If suppose I'm having a node, already I'm having a node 1 and the next pointer is null, which means that I'm having one linked list which is having only one node which contains the data 1 and the next pointer points to null. So if it is insertion in tail, so you know what is tail. So if it is insertion in tail, then I have to insert a data 2. Then how I will insert data here? Like this. The next thing is I have to insert a data 3. Then how I will insert 1, 2 and then 3. So this is called as insertion in tail. So what is the second one? Second one is insertion in head. So how I will do? So again I'm taking the same example. I'm having one node with the next pointer points to null. So in head, how I will insert? I have to insert a data 2. Then I have to insert that head. This is the head. Okay. So here I'm inserting it like this. Then how I will insert 3? I have to insert it like this. 3, 2, then 1. So this is known as insertion in tail and then insertion in head. So how to implement in code, we will see it in next video. So now we will see how to insert a data in linked list in tail. For that, first I have to create a method. So I am returning the linked list itself and then insert at tail. So here I need two things. One thing is a linked list and then I need a data. Okay. Simply I created one method. So I didn't insert any logic. Okay. So simply I created a method which returns a linked list which contains the data parameters list and data. Okay. So first what I have to do? I need to create a node. I have to create a node, insert a data into that node, then I have to make the next pointer to null. So first I have to create a node and then insert a data into that node and then I have to make the next node to the null. So how I will make this one in program, we will see. So first thing is I have to create a node and insert a data. So I'm just creating a node. It is a new node, so I'm giving the name new node and then I have created a node. Is that enough? I have to pass a data. So I created a node and I passed the data to this node. So it will go to this constructor. It will go to this constructor and it will create a node with data. For example, I'm not passing any data here, but with that data only we can understand clearly. So for example, I'm passing a data 1. Just consider I'm passing the data 1. And then I have to make this node because I don't know what is the next node or next node data. So I'm making that next node to null. So I think you people can able to understand this. Next is this one. So I'm giving a data. So I'm giving I'm just creating a node here. Node here. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a node. I'm passing the data. So it will be like this one. So here in this step I'm getting output like this one. I inserted one data 1 and then the next pointer points to null. So in these two lines simply I just created one node and I made that node's next node as null. Here we have two conditions. So first condition is, what if the head is null? What if head is null? As you are seeing, the node head is here. I didn't assign any value, so which means that the head is null. So if head is null, then I have to point the head node to the new node. So it's like if 1 is the new node, if 1 is the new node, I am making this new node to as head. So here I am writing. So first condition is if head is null. If head is null, yeah, it is null for the first time. If head is null, then I am making this head equal to the new node. People can able to understand this one. So for the first time, because I didn't insert anything, just now I'm starting insertion. So for the first time, the head is null only. So if head is null, then I have to insert whatever node I'm having. Whatever data I'm having, I have to insert it into the head. So I'm making list.head equal to new node. Just I'm making list.head equal to new node. So here what is the output I'm getting is, I created one node and I'm assigning it to the, so this is what, so this whole thing is, so this one is the head here. This one is the head here. So else condition. So what is else? Which means that, what is else? Okay, I'm showing it here. If suppose already I'm having so many nodes, for example 1, 2, 3, this many nodes are there, then I have to insert a node called 4. Then here I have to insert it. For example, from head I have to traverse. So from head, what is head? Head is 1. So from head I have to traverse. So I have to go from 1 and then I have to go to 2 and then I have to go to 3. Now I'm inserting 4 and then next pointer I'm making it as null. So how to do this one? How to implement this logic in code? We'll see. First I have to so for one thing you have to understand clearly, in linked list we should traverse from head. There is no shortcut and all. Like I can't get it directly, like in the mid I can't traverse. So I have to start from the starting. So for that I need a head. I'm just assigning this head to this node. Simply I'm giving last node list dot head. Because I don't know what is the last node, so I am assuming that head is the last node. So really I have to go to the last node. So I have to find out the last node, because if I have to insert 4 here, I have to traverse till 3, and then if I find out this 3, then I will make the next node of 3 as 4. So how to do that one? First I have to consider a head, and then how I will go from head to the real last node. So I have to traverse. So here I am using a while loop. So what condition I can check it here? So if it is head, so I'm checking it like last dot next not equal to null. And I'm making it here like last equal to last dot next. So this block, what it will do? So in particularly what this block will do is, if suppose already I am having one, two, 4, then if I have to insert 5, then it will traverse from, so head is here, what? Head is 1 here. So from 1, it will traverse till 4. Last dot next not equal to null. So when it comes here, so 1, yeah, it will go. For 2 also this loop will execute. For 3 also it will execute. For 4 also it will execute. When it comes to 4, so 4 dot next is equal to null. So this loop will fade. So it will go to 4. So I found out, so in the last I have 4 here. And then what I have to do is last dot next equal to the new node. You guys can able to understand actually. I will repeat it again, because linked list is the basic, what to say, if you understand a linked list only, then only you can able to implement stack, queue. So everything is based on, in array also we can implement, but this is very important. Linked list is very important. That's why I'm keep on telling this one. I will explain to you again. Okay, I will do that one. That is not at all a problem for me. So to insert a node at tail, so what is the first thing? I have to create a node with the data, and I am making the new node dot next equal to null. So simply I created one node, that's all. So first condition is, in the linked list, for the first time head is null, which means that what is head? Head is the first node in the linked list. So in the first node contains nothing. For the first time, for the first time insertion, head contains nothing. So if head is null, I am making this new node with data as head. Second condition is, it already has data. For example, I am having one linked list, already it is having 3-4 datas. Then I have to insert one data. For example, already I showed it here. So I am having a linked list with the node 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have to insert 5. I want to insert 5. Then I have to traverse from head. So for that purpose, I am just assigning head to the last node, and I am traversing from head. Like this while loop is there, right? So it just traverses from starting point. Like first it will traverse from 1, and then 2, and then 3. When it comes to 4, here when it comes to 4, then it won't execute. Means 4 is coming here. So 4 dot next equal to null. But here I checked it like not equal to null. So when it comes to null, then it executes the loop. So it will come here. So what we will have it last? Last we will have 4. So 4 dot next equal to new node. So here I am getting the output like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. This is what I am getting here. So what I am doing is, I am just returning the linked list. If you people want, I will explain it again also. That is not at all a problem for me. So just I created one node. I'm making that node next as null. Two conditions I have to check: if head is null, if head is not null. If head is null, if head is not null. If head is null, then I'm making that new node to the head itself, or otherwise I'm traversing from head till the last. And I am making that last node next as new node. In the next video, we will see how to insert a data in linked list at head.